I should maybe start a YouTube channel. That's a good idea.
You should.
Good idea. Yeah, I get nervous because
No.
I don't...
No, it's okay.
I'm not a blogger. I don't know anything about this world.
Okay, no problem.
What about you? I liked this question. So, what's your fondest memory?
Oh.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am well. And where are you from?
Well, I'm from the States, but I don't know if you saw my profile. I live in Brazil, South America.
Oh, South America. Ah, okay, I see. Oh, and at last we have met.
Yes, I'm so sorry. I totally forgot to answer you.
It's okay, it's okay. No problem. You are so busy with your schedules, and I was so busy during with my online examinations, so that's why.
I see. So, Indrajit?
Yes, perfect.
Yes.
And what else you do, ma'am?
So, I'm also a student. I'm also on my last year, completing my bachelor's degree in industrial engineering.
Oh, which stream?
Sorry?
Which stream do
industrial engineering.
Industrial, I see. Oh, industrial.
Yeah.
Oh, so can you share your engineering life? Where, I mean to say, do you stay hostel or not?
So actually, I don't think I want to work as an engineer, like with engineering. I like more creative industries, more creative roles. I would like to work with cinema, movie production, something like this.
Wow. So, do you have any plan to start a YouTube channel to like that? Because you are keen of watching cinemas and reading reviews of that, good or bad. So
yeah, true. I should maybe start a YouTube channel. That's a good idea.
You should.
That's a good idea. Yeah.
So I want to mention that is there any competition of reviewing cinemas in your country?
Well, yes. That's why it's very hard to work in this industry, because I think it's a very closed industry. You have to know someone, inside, and I don't know anyone, so it's very difficult. But I need to try, right?
Yeah, you should try. You should try.
Mm-hmm. And what about you? Do you know what you want to work with?
Actually, YouTube is my secondary, not primary. My first priority is to get a decent job. If I get a decent job, then I will continue YouTube as secondary. Now I just spend my hours on YouTube with my study, so that's okay.
I see. Yeah, make sure you send me your YouTube channel for me to watch your videos.
Yeah, sure. And I will upload this video, then I will send you this link.
Okay. All right.
No, don't be stressed.
Yeah, I get nervous because
no.
I don't.
No, it's okay.
I'm not a blogger. I don't know anything about this world.
Okay, no problem. And how long have you been teaching on Cambly?
On Cambly, 6 months, I believe. 6 months. I started. Yeah, I'm not sure if a little bit more, maybe 6 months and a few weeks.
Okay,
yeah. I started because of the pandemic. I used to teach like in person, but because of the pandemic, everything migrated, right, to online teaching, and Cambly is a great platform.
Yes, I truly agree with you that Cambly is really wonderful platform, and it is like a handful globe. So whenever you want to pick a student from different places, from different countries, then you will be able.
Yeah. Yes, and even for like for us tutors, it's really interesting because it's like every day you meet someone from a different country, you learn about a different country. Like, it's amazing.
It's really amazing. It will really reduce your boringness.
Yeah, yeah. It's like traveling the world without leaving your house, you know?
Exactly, exactly. That's true. That's true. What do you like? What do you like to spend your leisure hours?
Well, I really like to read. I really
Oh,
like reading. Um, I love going to the beach, going on hikes, you
oh,
know, to waterfalls or things. Because
oh,
here where I live, there's lots of nature. There's lots of, you can go on hikes to far away beaches, to waterfalls. It's really nice. It's wonderful.
oh, lovely, lovely. And I want to mention that your hair color is really suitable for you.
Oh, thank you. Thanks.
Actually,
Yeah.
I saw your profile video. Then it looked white, but just like light brown. But this color is
Yes.
really pretty stunning. You look
So
stunning.
actually, my hair, it changes color. Like in the summer, when I get lots of sun, it gets much lighter.
Oh,
And now here we're getting into winter right now.
mhm.
So I haven't been getting so much sun. That's why it's a little bit darker.
Oh, lovely.
So in my video on my profile, it was summer and my hair is very light.
Yes, I see. And you are originally from Brazil, right?
No, I'm originally from the States, from California.
Oh, okay.
But my mom is Brazilian, and my family moved to Brazil 10 years ago. So I've been here for
Oh,
a long time.
oh, I see. I see. And so you are a student, and
Hmm.
can you tell me that what was what was the fondest memory of your college life? Can
It's
you
my
tell
university a lot because due to COVID, we're having classes online.
me?
Yeah. So, and I definitely prefer in-person classes.
Yes, I really like offline classes because
Hmm.
I have a lot of friends, so that's why I can chat with them physically,
Yes,
and also
exactly.
yes, exactly. So I
Hmm.
miss.
Yeah. And one of my fondest memories, I don't know. I think, well, close to my university, there is a bar that stays very close to the sea. It stays right next
Oh,
to the sea. And
mhm.
so we would go there after school hours, you know,
Oh,
after
lovely
class.
to spend.
And it's beautiful to see the sunset and, you know, it's really nice.
Oh, awesome.
What about you? I liked this question. So, what's your fondest memory?
Oh, fondest memory. I I I sang a song in the social of my college.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, in the Hindi song, obviously. But yeah, when I started preparing, then I was so nervous to deliver.
Of
But
course.
after a lot of practices, then I was able to deliver my song.
That is so cool. So
Yes,
you know how to sing.
yeah, kind of a lot of practice.
Of course. You're you're good at so many different things because you study like science, you know, like something,
Oh, I see.
and you know how to paint, you know how to sing. That's
Actually,
pretty amazing.
actually, actually, my brain goes for science and my heart goes for art.
I see. Well, that's an excellent balance. That's
Yes,
an excellent balance.
exactly, exactly. And you know that I cannot survive. I can survive with my paintings, but it is not so much like science or technology.
Of
So that's why
course.
I chose it as a career.
Of course, it's like this in the whole world. Unfortunately.
Yeah.
I wish it was possible to live like well off of being an artist, you know.
Thank you for your great wish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Oh, go on.
No, I was just going to ask, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes.
Do you... Yes.
I have one elder brother, actually, who stays another city of the state, because he does a government job of railway department. And
nice.
Yeah, he is totally opposite to me. I am so extrovert and he is so introvert. I am so talkative person.
Wow, how interesting. You guys are brothers but opposites.
Yes.
Yeah, this happens.
Do you have any sister or brother?
Well, yes. Actually, I have 7 siblings.
Oh my gosh.
Very big family.
Very big family.
And yeah, we're all very different from each other. All of us. You know?
You are the youngest or oldest?
No. So think of it like this, right? We're 8 in total, and I'm this one. So this is the oldest. I'm like in the middle, because there are 3 younger siblings and 4 older ones.
Oh, so what is the and you know that being youngest is very privileged.
Usually,
being
oldest. Usually the youngest is a little bit spoiled.
But you have to guide.
Yeah, do you agree? Do you agree?
Yes, I totally agree. But actually, the thing is, younger or youngest person does not listen to me. Listen to the older one.
No.
No problem.
Yeah, well, I guess my youngest sister, she also doesn't really listen to us.
Exactly. It
normal.
Happens.
Yeah.
So, my time is running out.
Yes, our time is going to finish.
Oh,
it was so nice to meet you.
Yeah, hope see you soon again. And
yes, you too.
Bye.
Bye.